As both the variety and complexity of pharmaceutical drugs increase, Simulations Plus continues to stay at the forefront of modeling and simulation solutions. This month, catch Viera Lukacova at the CRS Long-Acting Injectables Conference in Leuven, Belgium, Mike Bolger at the PBSS Symposium on Covalent Inhibitors in Forest City, California, and Joel Owen at the Novel Clinical Trail Methodologies workshop in Cape Town, South Africa. We'll also be hosting a series of PBPK modeling and quantitative systems toxicology workshops the week of February 25th. GastroPlus and DILIsym experts will provide hands-on knowledge of our software solutions for new and advanced users.
One of the best aspects of our workshops is that virtually all of our examples are drawn from the literature, real compounds, real properties of molecules and so on. It would be most useful for the industry, though I think that it is also very solid for the academic folks. We cram a lot of information into 3 days. You will learn a lot. When you've gone to a workshop and then you go and work with GastroPlus for several months or several years and then you come back to the workshop, you have kind of a much deeper understanding, and that means that you can learn more about the program. And also it means that you can kind of target your questions a little better.
Can't attend in person? You're in luck. The DILIsym course offers a remote option. Tune in from the comfort of your own office. And finally, have you heard about our latest releases? Both DILIsym and DDD Plus were recently upgraded with new features and functionalities. Find the details on our product releases, workshops, and conferences at simulations-plus.com. Thanks for watching.